Our traditional education system is still designed to force people to trade the time for money in some sort of 9-to-5 job. We all know the limitations of this old approach. More and more people are fulfilled and frustrated because after work they don't have the time or the energy to be with the people they really want to be with, or to do the things they want to do in life. And even worse, more people get frustrated and regret that they didn't do anything about it on the right moment. But luckily, nowadays, we have other alternatives, better alternatives to create income online. I remember the moment I realized that for myself. As a manager in a production company, I had a good salary and great benefits, but I wasn't fulfilled. I hated to bring my kids every day to daycare for the whole day, and I hated to sit in endless meetings at work. I didn't have the time to be with the people I love the most. One day, I was watching one of my personal development mentors on YouTube when I came across a video of a Dutch guy. His name is Patrick also, and he had also grown sick and tired to all of this, but he took action and he built an online business. And now his websites sell products for him 24 hours a day, so he can have more time with his 2 little daughters. I decided to contact him, and he said he wanted to help me. He sent me a series of workshops where his mentor explains how anyone with the right mindset can start an online business. At first, I was a bit skeptical, but I decided to watch all the videos anyway, because I wanted to create my own opinion. And I'm so glad I watched those videos, because they honestly changed my whole life. Now, I'm at a point in my own journey where I want to do the same for others. If anyone watching this video would like to start an online business for themselves, even though if they don't have any business idea or product to sell, I'd love to help them in the same way that Patrick helped me. What I can do now is leave a link somewhere around this video where if you click, you'll get to my website where you can leave your name and your email address, and I'll send you the videos directly to your inbox. If you are someone who's open to learn new things, and if you're someone who's willing to put the work to stop trading your time for money and start building a business that will allow you to have more time and more peace of mind to do the things you really love to do, then I recommend you to click on the link, watch all the videos, and decide for yourself if this is something you want to do. That's what I did, and that was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life.